In this video, we'll explore some easy and effective ways to help you recover from a cold faster and get back to feeling your best. Colds are common viral infections that affect the nose, throat, and sinuses. They can cause symptoms such as a runny or stuffy nose, sore throat, cough, and general malaise. Colds are typically caused by viruses, which can spread from person to person through respiratory droplets or by touching contaminated surfaces. Factors like a weakened immune system or exposure to cold weather can increase the risk of catching a cold. One of the best ways to recover from a cold is to get plenty of rest and stay hydrated. Rest allows your body to conserve energy and focus on fighting off the viral infection, while staying hydrated helps to thin mucus and relieve congestion. Steam inhalation can provide relief from nasal congestion and soothe a sore throat. Fill a bowl with hot water, place a towel over your head, and inhale the steam for about 10 minutes. Be cautious not to get too close to the hot water to avoid burns. Gargling with warm salt water can help alleviate a sore throat. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water, gargle the solution for about 30 seconds, and then spit it out. Repeat this a few times a day for relief. Over-the-counter cold medications can provide temporary relief from symptoms such as congestion, coughing, and sore throat. However, it's important to read and follow the instructions carefully and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or existing medical conditions. Supporting your immune system can help you recover faster from a cold. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and other immune-boosting foods. Stay physically active and get enough sleep to strengthen your body's defenses against viruses.